Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and for example it does not respond to your touches, the screen freezes and you have no idea what to do. You can try to force restart it, and basically in this device it is really simple because all you have to do is to press the power button, which is located on the right side of the device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen, the developer's logo, and the device will be restarted after that. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button. Let's ignore the assistant and keep pressing the power button. As you can see, it could take approximately 10 seconds. We've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got the developer's logo. I felt the vibration, so we can release the finger, and as you can see, our device will be restarted in a second, and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.